What's up, guys? Hey, 90 seconds with Rich about real estate, and I'm doing something called grounding right now. As you can see, I'm just walking with my bare feet on the ground, and it's just a way to process a lot of the things that happen in your life or that are happening in your life. And you're gonna have a lot of this that comes up when real estate is part of your life. You're gonna have lenders you're gonna be working with. You're gonna have title agencies you're gonna be doing business with. You're gonna be looking for deals. You're gonna be running the numbers on deals. You're gonna be working with tenants and property managers. And so this is just a video to help you get grounded and really get you to understand that real estate and real estate investing isn't easy. It's not an easy thing, but here's a few ways to make it better. The first is make sure that you always have a plan. A plan is going to be so important because when you have a plan, then you are always grounded. You always know, let me go back to this plan. Number two, make sure that you have that plan visible for you to always see. So for example, I like to have a vision board. I like to be able to have a board in front of me. You don't see that right now, but it's inside of my office, and I'm able to just see that vision board and always attack the next step of my strategy. Number three, super important, is communication. Just have constant communication with your team members. If you do this, you'll always be on point. And that's how you get grounded when it comes to real estate. If you like these 90-second videos, go check out another one. I'll talk to you soon.